Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI videos for free, step by step in English. So what is an AI video generator? An AI video generator is a tool that lets you type an idea or script and the AI creates a video for you, complete with scenes, voiceover, and effects. So today we are going to use Canva AI, which works in your browser, no download required, and it's 100% free to start. So you can just go to the canva.com and you can sign up with Google or email, and then you can here on the homepage just tap on this Canva AI tab, and now you can just write or describe the idea that you want to bring to life. And make sure that you tap on this option, create a video clip. So you can just type your script. You need to keep it short and clear. And here you need to also, you can select the style like cinematic, animated, cartoon, or maybe a VHS style. So choose the one that you like. For example, in here, I'm going to go with cartoon. Let's say fish. Okay, I'm going to just go like this. And here if you want more advanced setting, you can adjust the aspect ratio, duration, the framing, and the lighting. I'm going to just go with the default settings. So let's just hit on send or generate. I don't know what happened, so you can just wait until the results came out. Let's try another prompt. I don't know what happened, but let's see the AI in here, the example. Let's say this is the video that I created, and here, so once your video is ready, you can replace scenes, you can change the text or add music. But if you're happy with the result, you can just download it. So that's how you can make a viral AI videos for free using Canva. If this helped, give it a like and click on the thanks. Also subscribe to our channel for more AI and editing tutorials. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!